This guy was injured in 2002 and had his left wing amputated. There's signage all over the place. I mean, look at that. That doesn't even look real. Look at how green that is. That is wild. Today I'm in Calvert County and we're at Battle Creek Cypress Swamp. Have any of you guys been here? Looks like a really cool place. There's a nature trail roughly a mile long and they have these bald cypress trees, which are pretty rare for Maryland. I don't know much about them. We're gonna learn about them today. We're gonna see what this trail has to offer. So stay tuned. This is the Nature Center and it looks like it's been shut down for a long time. Wonder what happened here. Who knows what happened here? It's like this is closed. All right, here we go. Caution, boardwalk may be slippery. So we've got a lot of steps here. It's a good little workout for a short trail like this. That's more of a nature walk. I will say it looks really well maintained. I mean, the boardwalk looks excellent. These steps feel safe and they're not slippery. They're grippy. I don't have on the best shoes and everything feels good to me. Boardwalk is in great shape. There is an audio tour if you want to listen while you're on tour. This explains what a cypress swamp is, so go ahead and pause this. They talk about the bald cypress trees. Interesting, closely related to coastal redwood trees of California. I had no idea. And they're the oldest trees on the Atlantic coast. Wow. Maryland State Champion is estimated to be 500 to 600 years old. Most of the trees along the trail are between 75 and 200. Trees with knees. And they have the knees. That's it right here. There's a lot of them. Boardwalk's beautiful. They did a great job with this. More signage, if you want to pause that. Great day to come out here. It's late August and it was only 55 degrees when I got up this morning. So we're in that false fall period. So less bugs, that means less bugs out, and I am all about that. Anytime I can get out in nature without being bitten to death by bugs, I'm happy. More signage here. A little spider here, look at that guy. I don't know if that'll show on camera. Yeah, definitely more of a walk than a run. Although those steps will be a good workout. Hit those steps a few times. And the boardwalk ends here and we have some gravel. So we will see where this goes, where this takes us. Got another little bridge here. Look at that guy. It's a big worm. Some signage here, meadow and the boardwalk. Nature Center. We'll go check out the meadow. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Benefits of native meadow habitats. Interesting. They only need to be cut once a year. Lots of signage. We're not gonna have time for all of it, unfortunately. We've got this cool house right here. Time of change. Again, pause this, guys. Well, we gotta check out this old house. We're not gonna go in, but we'll take a look. Looks really cool with the lighting, the way the sun's coming in through the trees. There's something scary about an old boarded up house. No trespassing. I wonder if mail was delivered here, if it actually was delivered here like that. That is an old mailbox. The boards look fresh. Wow, the sun feels so good. I mean, it is so nice outside today. Monarch butterflies. Yeah, if you're in Southern Maryland, come check this place out. It is really cool. This is a lot of fun. It's relaxing. You get a little workout in. We've got lots of signage. See what's up here. Picnic table and a barn. Again, the way the light is hitting today is just, it's great. You gotta love natural sunlight. Nothing beats natural sunlight. Oh, here we go. Check this out. Casey's Pond. Wow, that is cool. Well, look at this, look at the color. Wow. Just the way the sunlight is hitting this, so cool. You can see the difference here in the shade versus in the sunlight. Should definitely venture off the boardwalk and come over to the meadow and check this out. I mean, look at that. That doesn't even look real. Look at how green that is. That is wild. The backside of the barn. Let's see what's here. This might lead to the highway. Yeah, it looks like it just leads to the highway. Yep. It is really beautiful today. I don't think the camera is doing it justice, how the light is hitting everything in here. Wow, it's so nice. So I actually backtracked. The trail does loop around, so you don't have to walk up these steps. But I decided to backtrack because everything was looking so amazing today. But even these steps are pretty well maintained and they're grippy, so not terribly challenging. Just steep. But if you do loop around, you can exit here, and then you only have 10 or 15 steps, like literally a flight and a half of steps. So. All right, we have some birds, starting with a red-tailed hawk. This guy was injured in 2002 and had his left wing amputated. He's still around 22 years later. I don't know if my camera's picking him up that well. Sorry about the wide-angle lens we're dealing with. This eastern screech owl, which doesn't appear to be in the cage. Maybe he is in his house. He's probably in his house. Barred owl. Look at this guy. He's chilling in the back. Very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.